Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Today, we're checking out a Para USA GI Expert, coarse chambered in 45 ACP. This is their carbon steel, or starts off life as a carbon steel pistol, and of course it's been Cerakoted. This is my custom blend. It's Showgirl Gold. It's actually a color I created for SHOT Show for one of our lever guns, the Marlins that we did, or co-pilots if you want to call it that. When it comes to the rest of the work, this is all done by Matt, one of my fellow gunsmiths here over at Wild West Guns, and he did all the cuts, everything else. So we'll go ahead and go through it. I think this is a Ed Brown beaver tail, if I'm not mistaken. Hammer is changed out as well to Ed Brown. It has a Nighthawk trigger. It's got the true dot sights, the front and rear, and that's a really nice low profile sight. If you're looking for one for 1911 that sits low in the gun, that does. We also had to cut the rear of the slide for the Novak cut because they come with the classic GI cut. Chamfered and recessed slide release lever pin right there. He crowned the barrel as well. It's kind of a bi-bevel crown 11 into a 45. Subtle but nice. Of course, all these cuts you can see under, or how do you say, you can see everything from the inside. Like the magazine right there is black, and everything that contrasts like the barrel are black, so just keeps for a two-color simple scheme, but just really nice and custom looking. Pretty cool. Got the new Magpul grips on there. Went to a single-sided oh, actually that's a single-sided safety that came with it. Yeah, so I guess that's about it. So this thing is just rad. That Showgirl Gold just definitely sets it off, but I mean, those cuts just look awesome. You know, something different, but definitely custom. Go ahead and rack back the slide real quick for y'all. Pretty sweet. As you can see, there's also no lettering up on here. We took all that off. That's all been cut away. So no GI Expert, nothing. Just down here you got your serial number, of course, and Charlotte, North Carolina, where the pistol's made. No longer Para Ordnance, but Para USA. These things are awesome. I know there's a lot of problems with the Para Ordnance back in the day, but the Para USA, I think, is really making a name for itself. I actually bought a stainless version of this for myself, and you'll see a video of that one coming in the next few months or so. But that gold is just awesome. And with that black, it just sets it off so well. So yeah, if you want some custom cuts on a 1911, Matt here can definitely do the job for you. Like I said, he built this pistol. All I do is spray the Cerakote. This is all him. Pretty sweet. But as always, y'all, any questions, comments, concerns, leave them. And you know I'll answer accordingly. Beautiful pistol. Until next time.